Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming drivers and Windows updates are installed so readings reflect true performance. Once done, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Make sure Task Manager shows the Performance and Processes tabs. If GPU columns are missing, right-click any column header and enable GPU and GPU Engine. This gives an immediate, low-overhead view of GPU usage, memory, engines, and dedicated versus shared memory, so you know what to monitor next. You now generate a real workload by launching the program or benchmark you want to test. This is essential because idle numbers mean nothing. As the app runs, observe GPU Engine and the 3D, video encode, or video decode rows in Task Manager to see which engines are active. Make sure to note peak percentage usage, dedicated GPU memory used, and any drops in frame rate. This explains whether the GPU, CPU, or memory is the bottleneck. Once you have readings, compare them against expected behavior. You finish by interpreting the numbers. Sustained high GPU percent and memory usage with low CPU indicates GPU-bound performance. Low GPU percent with stutter suggests a CPU or power limit bottleneck. If results are unexpected, make sure the system power plan is set to high performance and the app is assigned to the discrete GPU in Windows graphics settings or your GPU control panel. If problems persist, update drivers, check for thermal throttling, and use Event Viewer or Reliability Monitor to find errors that explain crashes or poor performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.